Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of ThatCarLife, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get the ultimate flutter in a Nissan Silvia S15. Alright, so this doesn't actually just apply to Silvia, so this can apply to pretty much any turbo car. So I'm just going to show you guys all the steps. Alright, so to get turbo flutter in your car, there's two basic things that you need, and that's a blocked off blow-off valve, or in my case, an adjustable blow-off valve. And also you need a air intake like pod filter. Those are the two basic things that you need just to get any sort of flutter. It's not going to be the loudest flutter, but it will still have a flutter in general. And I do have some videos of when I had a stock intake pipe and a blocked off blow-off valve. So everything was stock, just minus the blocked off blow-off valve and pod filter. And I'll play some of those clips from that setup now. Alright, so as you can hear from those clips, it's not really that loud. It's a fast flutter, but it's still obviously noticeable and a lot different from stock. So what you can do, what a lot of people do, especially with Silvias, is you can do a metal intake pipe to make it a bit more amplified. So obviously you replace the stock like silicone piping and you replace it with metal. So basically it amplifies a lot more, like the sound bounces off the metal. And it basically makes it a lot louder. And I do have clips from basically blocked off blow-off valve, metal intake pipe, and a cold air intake. And I'll play some clips from that setup now. So as you can hear from that setup, the sound was definitely a lot louder, a bit different, and yeah, it's just a noticeable change. But to get the ultimate flutter out of any turbo car, and basically an S15, you need a front mount intercooler, so a full front mount, on top of the metal intake pipe and the intake, and obviously a blocked off blow-off valve or an adjustable one. That will give you basically the loudest and the longest flutter. Obviously to get a even louder or better turbo sound, you'd probably need to upgrade your turbo. But when it comes for a Silvia, for example, with a stock setup, basically a full front mount setup, metal intake pipe, cold air intake, pod filter, adjustable blow-off valve, that's basically the main things you need to get the ultimate flutter with the stock setup. With the stock turbo. So yeah, obviously if you upgrade your turbo, it's going to sound a lot better and louder, but yeah, with the stock T28, you can definitely make it sound really cool. So I do have quite a few clips of the intercooler flutter from just like different days and stuff like that. So I'll play some of that now just so you guys can just get an example of what it sounds like. And I'll even do some comparisons of just basically start to finish, just so you guys can see. Alright, so hopefully that helped any of you out that are trying to get like any sound comparisons on your turbo and turbo flutters for your S15 or just any turbo car. Because I know that when I was trying to look for sound comparisons on different setups, I couldn't find like anything. So hopefully this video will be like the all-in-one stop. You get to see every single setup that you can get for an S15 at least with a stock turbo. So yeah, I really hope it helps. Yeah guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more updates on the S15. Basically, just a quick update on the ride, on the wheels and the ride height. I did have to raise the front a little bit, but it's still actually rubbing. I actually ended up hitting like a little bump in the road, and even though I did raise this, it actually, the wheel bounced up and hit the wiring loom, and now the ABS light's just stuck on. So that's obviously not good. So it's just gonna get serviced soon. So I'm gonna get the code cleared, and then I'm gonna get an alignment and get the height basically properly adjusted. That way the car's gonna ride fine without scrubbing. But yeah, overall I still do love the look right now. Definitely loving how she looks right now, 100%. So if you're wondering future plans, I really want to get a carbon fiber bonnet, like a D-Max style bonnet, something like that, and I really want to get a center delete spoiler. Like the GT wing with the center delete, I really want that, but obviously all in good time. For now I can just I can still enjoy her the way she is. But yeah, make sure to stay tuned. I'm planning on filming a lot more videos very soon. I know I've been like very delayed and I haven't uploaded a lot, but yeah, at least I put this one out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you next time.